Hello. I'm doing a video. So, I just wanted to tell you that I am a dragon. So why do you want it? Okay, I'm gonna show you how to be the dragon that I was. So, gotta look like this. Okay, gotta have this color red, that white. Gotta have that kind of eyes, not blue. Then you gotta have this pattern, that color green. Then you have to have this thing right here. Okay. Then you go down, find this, and then I'm gonna add something right here, make it more intense. Then I have to claws, that tail armor, and that feet armor or whatever. Yeah, so much fun. So I think that'll be pretty much it for today's video. Bye.